Pivot charts in Excel. Pivot charts are used to summarize and analyze data with both a cross-tabulation and charting. Excel pairs pivot charts with pivot tables. Using the restaurant data introduced in Table 3.7 and Figure 3.7, as well as attached in the description box, we can create a pivot chart by taking the following steps. Step 1. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Step 2. In the Charts group, choose Pivot Chart. Step 3. When the Create Pivot Chart dialog box appears, choose Select a Table or Range. Enter A1 colon D301 in the Table Range box. Choose New Worksheet as the location of the pivot table report. Click OK. Step 4. In the pivot table or pivot chart fields area, under Choose Fields, to add to report, drag the quality rating field to the Axis Categories area. Drag the meal price in dollar field to the Legend Series area. Drag the wait time field to the values area. Step 5. Click on sum of wait time in the values area. Step 6. Click value field settings from the list of options that appear. Step 7. When the value field settings dialog box appears, under Summarize Value Field by, choose Average. Click Number Format. In the category box, choose Number. Enter 1 for decimal places. Click OK. When the Value Field Settings dialog box reappears, click OK. Step 8. Right-click in cell B2 or any cell containing a meal price column label. Step 9. Select Group from the list of options that appears. Step 10. When the grouping dialog box appears, enter 10 in the starting at box, enter 49 in the ending at box, enter 10 in the by box, click OK. Step 11, right-click on Excellent in cell A5. Step 12, select Move and click Move Excellent to end. The completed pivot table and pivot chart appear in this figure. The pivot chart is a clustered column chart whose column heights correspond to the average wait times and are clustered into the categorical groupings of good, very good, and excellent. The columns are shaded to differentiate the wait times at restaurants in the various meal price ranges. This figure shows that excellent restaurants have longer wait times than good and very good restaurants. We also see that excellent restaurants in the price range of $30 to $39 have the longest wait times. The pivot chart displays the same information as that of the pivot table in Figure 3.13. But the column chart used here makes it easier to compare the restaurants based on quality rating and meal price.